Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can create a website pop-up Webflow. So let's get started before we begin. Note that you'll need the paid version of Webflow, as the free plan doesn't support this feature. First, search for Elfsite and create an account. Once logged in, go to Applications and click Add Application. Search for pop-up in the application library and select it. You can choose any pop-up template you like. Once you've selected a template, click Create to continue. Now you can customize the pop-up to fit your site. You can change the background color, edit text like Happy New Year, adjust colors, and even update offers or promotional messages. Essentially, you can make it look exactly how you want. Next, add your website URL and copy the generated embed code. Switch over to your Webflow project. If you have a paid plan, you can go to your page, drag in an embed element, and paste the code wherever you like. It doesn't matter where you place it, the pop-up will automatically appear on the visitor's screen when they access the site. Users can then interact with it and close it or take action, like clicking a button. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.